Welcome to all. Today question number 47. Very important question for, I will tell something, space problem is there. Very important question for pin jointed plane frames with two hinged supports with, already you should know, but right here if you want, with only one member connected to one of the hinges, see, yes, here, and no member connecting the two hinges. I told all the principle earlier, everything is over. So this is continuation now. So you should study everything and understand. Now, in the beginning only I told, my course is systematic course. Each and everything I am covering. Maybe sometimes what I will do, I may give exercise. See, when something is done repeatedly, then, see, this I am actually, when I am talking, I am just making it a little darker. So sometimes that also counts. See, last time the pen was having lesser ink. So now, okay. You listen to me. So I am going to cover each and every concept and complete subject will be covered. So for that one, what you have to do, go through each and every class. Some will tell, every class is telling, yes, those who want to learn from me should listen. Okay. Now, this is a question. Find axial forces in the members. See here. AC, BC, BD. AC, BC, BD. One question. Second question. BD, DC, CE. BD, CD, EC. EC or CE. Okay. For third question. CE, ED, DE and DF. Fourth one here. DF, EF and EG. Almost poor. One member is pending here. Which one? Only member GF is pending. For that, cut is not possible. See, if I cut this way, it cuts 1, 2, 3, 4 members. What to do? So, poor FG, I feel pity for you. Okay. This question. And one more thing. Even though, see, some will tell, AC is there here, see, where? BD is there here, again BD is there. Then, see, once again, DF is there here, once again DF is there. C is there, C is here. No, it is not that way. You take 4 independent questions. Only one question will be asked. See, they can ask in these 3, or these 3, or these 3, or these 3. That's why when you solve second question, do not bother about first question. Each question make independent. Okay, now, before I start, see this question, advantage is that this has got beautiful concepts here. So many things are covered here. So those who are studying, if you go through correctly, you will improve your knowledge tremendously. Okay, now, before we solve, note, this is same question as question number 30, part 5. Our, see, today's question number, I don't know. Today's question number 47. Go back. In the playlist all, you can see systematic order uploaded. Question 30, lecture 25, where we found axial forces in all the members by method of joints, not section. At that time, section was not considered. We are not knowing. Rather, you were not knowing. Fortunately, I was knowing. Okay, then. And remember, we at that time got, see, I wrote, to save that, I can write axial force. Time is not there, space is not there. Axial force in AC, see, this is the result we got at that time. Okay. Now, class, we will start our question. This, if you can go back earlier and check that question or solve that question. Actually, by this time, you should have finished that question. Okay, now, class. Solving the same question has 2 purposes. One, see, suppose I make any, by chance, see, human being, some calculation mistake. Sometimes what happens is, it happens sometimes. Not technical mistake, calculation mistake, wrong answer will be there. Second one, to show the confidence. not to show everybody that I know so perfectly. That you are knowing now. So, second purpose is confidence. We will take the same question. If answer is not tallying, you know what I will do. I told earlier, in case answer is not tallying, I told repeatedly, or that is only possibility. If calculation mistake is not there, still if answer is not tallying, it is called technical mistake. I am going to close my teaching field. Teaching classes I am closing. It will never happen. Okay, start. Now solution for question 47. Class, once again observe. I will write what all I tell. 4 questions, see, 4 questions are there. Each of them treat independently. Therefore, before you start, first one sketch, reference sketch for method of section. See, same question. This is in the question paper. This is in the answer booklet. Write this question. Okay. Everything given. See, 5, here they told here, better write this way. 5, 4, 3, 65 degree, 65 degree. Okay, then further. That also over. That height h0, why you require it? You don't require now. You require, as you require it now. Okay. You require. This much over. Now, this is the reference sketch for method of section. See, reference sketch for method of section. Like, your reference sketch for method of joint is called star sketch there, where we keep on come back and enter. I told at that time, each time you make entry, take a Xerox copy photo, take a Xerox and attach. Same way here. This reference sketch, we will use it 4 times today. But now we are using for first time. Okay, right here. When I go to second question, see, already one section is done. To get a complete idea, once again you have to write this one. So you can do one thing. You can take Xerox of this, you can take photo of this one and take 3 more Xerox. Why? One original you are writing now. See, once you are writing now, next 3 times you can attach if you are that much lazy. But there are people who will tell me, no sir, we don't do those things. We are learning sir, we will write sir. Good. Okay, over. Now start. First question. I do one thing today. 4 questions are there. Time also counts. So, one question I wrote here. See, before solving I wrote. Second question I will solve in front of you. Third question I will write like this. Fourth question I will solve in front of you. That way. 50-50. It does not matter, because even if I write, I am going through everything. I am not writing in front of you. This is only for online classes. Offline classes, this will never happen. Why? People are there. I always write in front of them only. And again I told, I come with only pen and calculator. That's all. And whatever knowledge I got. Okay. First question. Calculation of axial forces in the members AC, BC and BD by method of sections. Okay. This is your first question. Okay, start. Now, before that, I forgot here. One more thing you write here. This is pin, see one more here. This is pin jointed plane frames with the 2 hinged support. So, support reactions need not be calculated. We will not calculate. You should, wherever you consider section, you have to consider one side, look other side. Here which side? Here. Other side means what? Where supports are not there. Look this side. So all the 4 questions, we will look upper side. I won't tell again and again. All the 4 questions, we look upper side. If somebody will ask me, sir, can we look lower side? No problem, you can look. Sir, but if I look lower side, support reactions required. Yes, we can find it. Sir, hinge, sir. Yes. 2 reactions. Yes. One more hinge, sir. Yes. 2 reactions. Okay. Sir, 4 reactions. Correct. So what? Sir, basic conditions of static equilibrium, only 3. Sigma m0, sigma v0, sigma h0. Any order. If 4 unknowns are there, if 3 conditions are there, how you can solve? I will tell. That is what majority of people think. That's why we look other side. Okay now? Yes sir, correct. So you can't find reactions. Who told you we can't find reactions? Who told? I told people get doubt. That's why I told to all these confusions to avoid, look other side. When both hinges are there, don't find support reaction. I told for method of joint also same thing. Start from this joint. Then slowly come here. Finished. See, this is not a member. There is no member here. Then he will tell, okay sir. So we should not find support reaction. I never told you should not find support reaction. I told you need not find support reaction. But just now, sir, 4 unknown 3. That is for you, not for me. For me, even if there are 2 hinges are there, it is statically determinate. Huh? What is this? Because I told this hinge has 2 members. Okay, therefore this hinge has got reaction. One vertical reaction, one horizontal reaction. Okay. But this hinge, oh yes sir, you told. Yes, now you remember, this hinge has only one member connected. So whatever axial force is there in this member, that effect will be transferred here. Therefore, this member, just even though it is hinge, only one reaction, the line of action of that reaction is along the member connected to it. Sorry, one more member is there. I told already, with only one member connect. Ah, yes. See, with only one member connected to one of the hinges. Oh yes, so only this reaction. By chance, even if you take a reaction here, when you make sigma as 0, this will become 0. Now tell me, oh sir, then this is support, even though it's hinge, it is as good as roller. Yes, correct. Then we can write a roller there. You don't write that way. Hinge is a hinge. It is, see this hinge, horizontal reaction is possible, but here not possible. Again for you, earlier I told this one and also told you how to find reaction for those who are eager. For those who are eager. Therefore, don't find this reaction. Do not find it. Do not find it. Wherever you cut, look upper side. Other side. Okay sir, done. Start. Now, consider section XX cutting above 3 members. Which one? Those one. AC, BC, BD. See here. AC here, BC here, BD here. Oh, happy case. Cut XX. Look what? Upper side. If you want, you can do one thing. See? Don't write that one. Somebody will be laughing. Okay, look upper. Sir, you have to sleep and you have to lie down and look. See, or you have to turn your head. Sir, that much head you can't lift. Then lie down. Face up. Look. Okay, thank you, sir. Okay. These are all for fun only. Okay. Now, see correctly. Class is, I told, consider section XX. First class, you should look upper side. That's for the statement. Reason already told. Now, since you are looking upper side, intact. I wrote here, see, all intact. Somebody will ask, sir, what is the H naught? Wait 1 minute. Okay, not there. Now happy? Okay, now happy? Happy, sir. Okay, I'll put it here. H naught I'll put it there. Okay, now later. At present is not there. See here. At present is not there. It will come later. Okay, now other things are there. 3 meter. Yes, 3 meter is there. This 5 meter also is there. Say it's here, 5 meter. Okay. Now, see. You are cutting here. That side you sketch the frame. This side where you are not looking, you continue that line. This side should stop now. See, where you stopped here, continue, mark all outgoing. I told you, if you mark outgoing, later when you consider that force for an axial force, see, right now it is not axial force. Right now it is external force. Someone will tell, sorry, internal. Who told? Professor told. Go, okay. I am telling external. If I tell external, it is external. It can't be internal. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. You cannot. You will agree then. Yes, sir. We will believe you. Then better believe. When you come to my class, better believe me. Okay. Take this way, outward. If you take outward, this is the last time I will tell. If negative, if positive comes, then when you write the axial force answer here, write tension without sign. If you get negative, when you come to the last step of presentation, if negative sign is there, write here answer without sign, but write compression. Don't write compression in the bracket there. Mathematical blunder. Okay. This all over. Now see, one inclined member is there. For that you require angle. So in the sketch, see this member, you mark angle theta, some theta. Therefore, what you do is calculate that theta. If you cannot calculate that theta, better quit the class. See, tan theta equal to 4 divided by 5. That's how I got 38.66. If you cannot calculate theta, it will come equal to 38.66 degrees. Show the calculation. Okay, over. And enter here 38.66. Start. Now, usual. Apply sigma m0, first sigma m0, reason told 100 times. Then sigma v0, actually sigma m0 first. Sigma v, sigma h, any order. First sigma m. 3 unknowns are there. Among the 3 unknowns, see which 2 unknowns are meeting. Oh, among the 3 unknowns, these 2 unknowns are meeting at C. Therefore, moment about C. See, sigma m about C0. I put here question mark. Why C? You should write here. Because reason told thousands of times. Okay, take moment here. If you take moment about C, see here. PCB into 0, PCA into 0, even, see, anything else 0? No, that's all. Nothing else 0. See, this is for moment it is 0. But don't tell, see, sir, you told 0, sir. For moment it is 0. But when you do sigma v, sigma h, it will come. See, when you do sigma v, sigma h, there is no moment. It is only forces. Okay, done. Start. Oh, sorry, one more thing. Moment about C means, oh, C you are taking, no. See, when you take about C, see, this 5 will come here, 10 will pass. Even 10 also into 0, 5 also into 0. Okay. Cut means what? Small cut means 0. Don't write it. Start. Plus PDB into 5. See here. PDB into 5. Then which one? Minus 12 into 3. Anti-clockwise. Plus 14 into C. 14 into 3. Over. Next. 20 into, see, vertical force. From here to here, this distance. Since it is symmetrical, 65 degrees, not required now. So you can see here. Therefore, if I project here, exactly midpoint. Therefore, 20 into, if this is 5, this 20 into half of 5. 5 by 2. Lastly, clockwise, see, plus 16 into moment about C. See, 16 into, oh, this force into this distance. 3 plus this height. Oh, that height required, right there. That height required. Let that height equal to H0. Why H0 I am writing? Because H I am reserving for later. When you go for method of section, when unknown force, perpendicular height H required, I am using green color at that time. I am reserving H for that one, H0. So calculate H0. See, you can calculate it here only. See, light line here. See, light line. Or come back here. Or do one thing. Show a calculation. See here. E point is here. E. This is G. This is G. Somewhere outside. You do it somewhere outside. See, this line is here. See, then draw vertical here, line. Draw right angle triangle. See, this distance is how much? If this is 5, this is 5 by 2. This angle is 65 degrees. This is our H0. See here. This is our H0. So, therefore, right here, tan 65 equal to H0 divided by 5 by 2. Therefore, your H0 will come, I wrote there, 5.3613 meter. Let me check once again. Actually not required because With that H naught, I got the correct answer. Checking not required. 2.5 into tan 65. I calculator 2.5 into tan 65. 5.3613 meter. Okay, now do one thing. Last term, when you take moment here, see, all over now, 16 into this distance, see, from C to this force, horizontal force means vertical distance. 3 plus 5.3613, those who want write that way, but I wrote 8.3613. See, if you got doubt here, question mark, not question mark, you write in the 16 into bracket right here, 3 plus 5.3613, you will get the value of PdB minus 37.956 kilonewton. Okay, so now your PdB is over, right? Black mark. Sigma V0, take upward positive, see, minus PCA minus PCB sin 38.66 minus PdB minus 20 equal to 0. See, you already got PdB known there, answer is there, but still two more unknowns are there, you cannot solve, so call it equation number 1. Then sigma H equal to 0, take right side positive, see here, this will not come, this will not come, plus PCB cos 38.66. If anybody got doubt, sir, why it is right side, why it is cos, why it is sin, high time you stop learning from me. Engineering mechanics, it is told thousands of time earlier in the beginning, see, long back, initial classes. See how much I explained that one, that resolution of force. See there, how much I explained. Okay, so plus PCB cos of this angle, plus 10 minus 5, plus 10 minus 5, minus 12 plus 14, plus 16 equal to 0. What you do? Now you get the value of PCB minus 29.454 kilonewton. Okay, now see here, PCB also known. Now write here. Space is not there, you should write. Now substituting in 1, you write here. Substituting 1, that is in the equation 1, substitute PCB equal to minus 29.454 and PdB equal to minus 37.956. You will get PCA equal to 36.356 kilonewton. So question 1 is completely over, but last step, if you put this way, people will ask that minus plus what it means. Okay, thank you. Lastly, see here, space is not there. This is the final presentation for the question. Presentation, right? Therefore, axial force in, as per their name, it is not AB. What is the name? Sorry, it's not AB, it is AC. Okay, print mistake. AC, right here. Therefore, axial force in AC or CA, both are same over here. AC means CA plus 36.356, right, equal to 36.356 kilonewton. Tension, I already told, now I will not tell it. Someone will tell, sir, you told hundreds of times. If somebody is not listening and not solving, he should pay the penalty. Okay, then axial force, no plus also, only numerical. Axial force in BC is BC or CB. Here, 29.454 kilonewton. 29.454 kilonewton. Nature, on the share, space problem, that much kilonewton. Negative sign came, so compression, right here, compression. Don't write compression here, mathematical blunder. Lastly, a little more space, thank you, little more space, okay. Axial force in which one? BD. BD is DB, 37.956. 37.956 kilonewton. Negative sign came there. Compression is the answer. Okay, now do one thing. See what result we got by method of joint. AC. Oh, AC here. 36 point, yes. Tension. BC. Oh, here only. 29.454, correct, compression. BD, 37.956, yes. You tell, perfectly correct. So, question 1 is over. Now I will go for question 2. See, for that, question 2, I will solve in front of you only to get more confidence. Okay. Actually, to save the time, I should have written it. But no, once in a while I decided, let the people know, I don't write for what, any confusion, to save the time. Okay. See, question 2. But before that, remember, this sketch, once again you have to write. See, you should remove that one. Otherwise, what will happen? You see, you show one more, see, what will happen now? See, you are one more, see, this cut is already there, XX. One more cut will come, see, you will get one more cut like this now. Now, what will happen? Oh, traffic jam. Therefore, each question, what you do is, when you solve a question, reference sketch, you write once again. Xerox copy will do. Photo and Xerox also will do. See? You remove this one. All remove. Let the fresh page come here. See? Fresh. Now write. Calculation of axial forces in where? BD in the order. BD members. In members. Okay, correct. In already there. Okay. BD, comma, DC, DC and CE, CE by method of section. Consider section XX cutting above 3 members. Here, this one, this one, this one, XX, here, XX. Look once again what? Upper side. Okay. Class. Again, now I can remove this one now. I already told you, this is a pin-jointed plane frame with the 2 hinged support. Reactions we did not find. So every time, look upper side, other side. Cutting above 3 members. Consider equilibrium to upper side. Okay, now. G intact, E intact, F intact. Okay, then, see, this member will come up to some distance. Okay. You don't do this way, I can see that liberty is there for me. Then, this member also intact. Then, see, this member over here, see, this joint. This member comes partially. And this member comes partially. You write correctly, see here. Here, from E, little distance more, see, up to here. From D, up to here. Then, from which one? One more point. One more is, which one? This one, see. This one, little down. Okay. Show the cut here, see. It's a cut, XX. Look upper side. Now, continue the force. This is force P for E to C. Force P for D to C. This all explained. Force for D to B. D to B. Okay. These are over. Now, that H naught is required. See, now, 1 minute now. Okay, start. Independent question. Remember, I told independent question. Okay. This time, see, all 3 members are, none of them are inclined. So, that angle this time is not required. Don't waste time. If you are solving second question, that angle is not required. Okay, start. One minute. Next time, these all I will prepare earlier. Now, anyway, next question is what? I am writing and explaining. Not AC, which one that one? BD, okay. This is the last step, not now. force in BD, DC and CE. See, I got confidence, I will get the answer. Okay, now, this is 5 meter. That is 3, no, this is 3 meter. Still we don't know, see. Still we don't know. Okay, I'll do one thing now, see. No, not known. Sir, already done. No, no. If you are solving second question, first question is not there. Independent question. That is, question given, this sketch over, come here. Okay, start. Take moment about which point. Now see. Among the 3 unknowns, 2 unknowns are passing to which point? D. See, D. So, what you do is, sigma m about D equal to 0, take clockwise positive. Why D? You write the reason. Why D? Okay, see. When you take moment about D, see here. PDB into 0, don't write. PDC into 0, 5 also into 0. So, start here. Minus PEC into 5. Unknown force. See. Minus PEC, force is unknown, multiplied by 5. Okay, then. Minus PEC into 5, minus 12, see. Minus for 12 and 14, for both of them into 3. But 12 is what? Minus 12 into 3, but plus 14 into 3. Then, moment about this point. See, when you took there last time, 20 into 5 by 2 was clockwise. But about this point, see, 20 into 5 by 2 is anti-clockwise. Be careful. Minus 20 into 5 by 2. Sometime in some of the YouTube classes, I have seen people telling, see, downward force always gives you clockwise moment. I will tell them, what nonsense you are telling. Down, because they always take moment about the left hand. See, not wrong. See, when the downward force is there, when you take moment, they always take moment about left side. They will tell, see, any downward force into something will give clockwise. So they will tell, in Hindi sometimes they will tell, downward, नीचे जाने वाला force हमेशा what clockwise moment create करेगा in Hindi. There's a popular Hindi. If they come in front of me, I will tell them, don't misguide the students. How you know downward will create clockwise? See, by chance, if there's a beam is there, if you take moment about left hand, overhanging side, one load is there. Then, see, if a load is here, load into this is clockwise. But what about now? Oh, ये तो कमाल हो गया. This is anti-clockwise. So don't give wrong idea, I will tell. See, when you teach, you learn first. Don't give such a wrong idea. Downward force will always create what? Clockwise moment like that. No. Even sometime while teaching, I will tell a crude method. See, in the arches I will tell. Inward acting horizontal reaction will always produce negative bending moment. That is correct. That is perfectly correct. Reason is there. So unless I am sure other chance is not there, then only I will tell in the class first correct concept, then easy method. But such things I will not tell. So see, moment about it means what? Minus 20 into 5 by 2. Lastly, 16 into this height required. Someone will tell, sir, no, sir. No, don't see that one. Question, you should not see previous question. So, this height, you create this calculation, once again get it and enter. Okay, now clear. But I am not entering now. So, therefore, plus 16 into, see, about this point. 5.3613 plus 3 is 8.3613. See, equal to 0. Question mark means you write here what? 3 plus that one. Therefore, you get the value of which one? PEC will come. I'll just check the camera once actually because I've gone too much right side. No, it's okay, I think. Okay, no problem. Okay. Recording on, no? Yes. Okay. Now, PEC will come, I will calculate. See, I told you, no cheating. I am not seeing there. Minus 12 into 3 plus 14 into 3 minus 20 into 2.5 plus 16 into 8.3613. That answer is actually positive. Minus PEC into 5 and positive, it will become negative that side. Negative, negative cancels, divided by 5. 17.956 kilonewton plus 17.956 kilonewton is the answer you got. Okay, now, once you got that one, what you have to do? Now, sigma V equal to 0. Take upward positive. Start. See. Minus, see, already we got the value of which one? Already PEC came. Tick mark there. Okay. Minus PDB. Then minus PEC. Minus PDB minus what? PEC. Minus PDB minus, actually I saw there, correct or not? Okay. Minus PDB minus PEC, no problem. Minus 20, that's all I think. Yes, that's all. Equal to 0. Substitute for PEC is already known. You write here, substitute that PEC. What you will get? See, minus PEC, minus 17.956. Then minus 20 will give you minus 37. PDB is minus, so you will get PDB equal to, therefore, your PDB will come minus 37.956 kilonewton. 956 kilonewton. Lastly, make sigma H equal to 0. Take right side positive. This will not come, this will not come. Minus PDC, and then minus 12 plus 14, minus 12 plus 14, plus 16, 16 equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of what? PDC. PDC will come minus 12 plus 14 plus 16 is plus 18. PDC is 18, correct? Which one it is? PDC. Where is PDC here? Oh, I did not write the answer. I wrote everything. One answer I not written. PDC, I forgot right here. Okay. I'll do one thing now. I'll check the camera. Meanwhile, when I next take a break here, I'll go and refer that. I have to go to YouTube. I don't have recording. I'll go to YouTube. I'll see my class there, and then I'll tell you the answer. PDC. I forgot right here. PDC. Everything I wrote. See, PDC answer I forgot right here. Anyway, by looking only you can make out. It is plus 18. Plus 18 kilonewton. Okay, over. Now, correct answer is minus PDC, minus 12, plus 14, plus 6. Oh, see, wrong. Sometimes, silly mistake. See here, minus, it would not some other answer. Minus PDC, minus 12, plus 14, plus 16, plus 5, minus 5 is there. See, one forgot. This is not technical mistake. This is observation mistake. Okay, now it is come minus 12, plus 14, plus 16, minus 5 is 13. It is coming plus 13 kilonewton. See, it will come plus 13 kilonewton. I forgot right there. I don't know why I forgot it. Okay, I'll add it. Okay, now, therefore, come here. Axial force in BD, 37.956 kilonewton. Nature, negative came, compression. See, space problem is there here. You manage somehow. See, that much kilonewton, compression. Axial force in DC is CD, 13 kilonewton tension. 13 kilonewton tension. Axial force in CE or EC 17.956 kilonewton. What sign came? Plus came, tension. See here. Axial force in BD 37.956 compression. See here, compression. Axial force in DC, this DC, I have not entered here, I forgot it. I went, okay, do one thing. You write here. You make a note here. Axial force in DC, it will not come once again, leave it. You write a note here. Forgotten, one member result, old class, he did not write, that is the member DC, so we got PDC there. Okay, I will check there. Yes, it is 13 kilonewton. 13 kilonewton. What nature? Tension. Actually cheating. Some will tell, sir, not cheating. I know it will be 13 there. Okay. Lastly, CE, where is CE? 17.956 tension, 17.956 tension. Perfectly tallying. So this one, you go and check there. You go to the old class. I told lecture number 25, question 30. See the last of the class where full entry is there. You see the entry there. I would have marked there in CD a tensile force of how much? 13 kilonewton. I copied everything but one thing forgotten. Okay, over. Now question 2 over. Now do one thing. See, question 3. Calculation of axial forces in member. Which one next? Member. Where is it? CEDEDF. CE and then DE and DF by method of section. DF. Okay. Do one thing. First, write the sketch once again. Reference sketch. Don't write here. Already see 2 sections over. No, become mix up then. If you understand, write once again. Which one they want? C, where is it? CE. CE is this member. Then CD. Which one CD? C over. Next DE. Oh, this member. One O directly cut here. XX. Over. Consider section XX cutting above 3 members. Class. Okay. Look upper side. Okay, now. G intact, E intact, F intact. Over. But here, see, that's all. G, E and F are intact. All remaining will go. Now, one member, see, up to here, and then up to here. Okay, little more space is there. Cut. XX. Look that side. Look that side. Okay, now continue the force. P for which one? EC. Continue. P for ED. This one. P for FD. For FD or DF, both are same. See? P for FD. Okay, now this much over. Oh, one inclined member is there. This angle required. In the sketch, see, earlier you took this as theta. Okay, but now do one thing. You take this angle as theta you can take. But someone will tell, sir, already you took theta there. Okay, theta dash. Theta dash. Actually, theta will do. Show the calculation and get theta dash. Theta dash tan inverse of 3 divided by 5. Tan inverse of 3 by 5. Where is tan inverse of 3 by 5? 3 divided by 5. Shift tan inverse answer. 30.964 degrees. Your theta dash will come 30.964 degrees. Enter here. 30.964 964 degrees entered here. Now ready for calculation. As usual, I told you, this I will write, next last one I will do in front of you, 50-50. Okay. Okay, now I wrote already. See, G intact, E intact, F intact. This all I told you. EC, ED, XE. This height is still not known. See, don't write the height here. The height is still not known. Okay. Now, start. Write one more sketch here. Cut these three members. I told you which one they want. These three. See here. Look this side. Take moment about E. Why? Two unknowns are meeting here. When you take moment about E, what will happen? See here. PED into 0, PEC into 0, 12 into 0, 14 into 0. So what you get? Plus PFD into 5. Into 5. Plus 20 into half of 5. Plus 16 into only this height. Oh, that height required. Show the calculation and get that height. See, someone will tell, sir, already 2 times over. No. If you are doing question number 3, previous 2 questions don't see. New question. Okay. You get the value of PFD. Sigma V0 minus PEC minus PED sine of this angle minus PFD. This angle I told you minus 20, 0. See, by this time, PFD is known, but still 2 more unknowns are there. So, equation number 1. Sigma H0. These are not there. Plus PED cos minus 12 plus 14 plus 16 equal to 0. So then subject PED. Once you get PED, you know the PED here. Substitute in 1. These 2 are known. Get PEC. Okay. I should not have explained. Final answer. Axial force in CE. CE or EC. 17.956. 9.6 kilonewton plus came tension. Axial force in DE here 20.991 kilonewton. Negative came that much compression. Lastly, axial force in DF here 27.156 kilonewton. Negative sign came, so compression. Check the answer. CE 17.956, DE 20 tension 20.991 compression, 27.156 compression. See, I checked the YouTube and got the answer correct. It was 13 kN tension earlier. Forgot to write here answer result. Okay, all are happy. Now I will tell one thing. I have not bothered to check. Why should I go there, open, see? Usually, my own video in YouTube, I should not click. It is called illegal click. If I click that video, and actually YouTube will not bother up to a limit, some people are doing it. Their videos, they only will keep on seeing. Reason, to get more view and watch time, and if advertisement comes, to get some monetary benefit, revenue. But YouTube considers that as illegal click. They can make out. That is same Google ID. If you click your own video, they can make out. It is called illegal click. If it goes beyond the limit, they will give a warning. But once in a while you can do it. See, sometimes you are forced to check it. They understand. Up to a limit, they don't bother. I never do that one. I never see my own classes once again. Once I upload, it is for you to see, not for me. I don't have to learn anything from my own classes. For that matter, very sorry to tell, from no other classes. Not required. Okay, over. Now, lastly, in front of you, I will do 4th question. Okay, in front of you only. 4th one. Calculation of axial forces in the members DF. DF FE and EG. The concept is there. EG by method of section. Consider, 1 minute. Those who are serious should do one thing now. See, you should not use this sketch. See, already so many sections here. No, independently. Don't write anything. Draw the sketch once again to understand correctly. Because why? Actually, at a time, one question. So which one now? Tell me. So DF. DF. Where is DF? Here. DF. Where is DF? Here. DIS here. This member. DF. FE. EF here. And DG. And EG. Okay. Poor GF, you are not considered. I feel pity for you. Which one? GF, I feel pity for you. Okay. Or if you want one thing, method of joint, you get the answer. Actually, okay, leave it. Why confusion? So, cut these 3 members. See? Cut XX. Again, look what? Upper side. Okay. Consider upper side. So, G intact, F intact. Okay, G intact, F intact. That's all. These are for some. This all will remove now. See, I'll remove which are you should not remove. Actually, you have to draw the sketch not this way. This I can do because I am teaching. You should not do those things. You should draw independent sketch. Okay, see here. How to remove first of all? Here, see. Oh no. G intact, F intact. This also is not there. See, only GF intact. So, your cut is, see, this will come up to here, some distance. Okay. Stop. This will come some distance. Some space problem is there here. One more will come down this way. See, your cut is, okay. Now, P for GE, P for FE, P for FT, FE here, FE, P for FD. Okay, now see, everything is over, leave it now. This H required, yes, see, 1 minute. We will be taking, make a note here, moment about the point F, because why? 2 unknowns are there, here, meeting here. So, read the reason. Write sigma m, I should remove this one. See, where is that rubber? I kept it here, okay. That I am not removing, why? It is required once again. Okay, see, right here. We will take sigma m about among the 3 unknowns, 2 unknowns are meeting at F. So, F equal to 0. When you write notes, you write why it is F. Clockwise positive. Okay, start. Moment about depend. Oh, first time. This see, now this into 0, this into 0, this into 0. But PGE, see, anti-clockwise. Minus PGE into, oh, it's an inclined force. What do you require? So, you should draw a perpendicular here. See, one perpendicular here. One perpendicular here. This is required. Now do one thing. That perpendicular you call H, green color H. I will call it as green color H. Why? Perpendicular I call green. Okay. You draw a perpendicular here, light line, green color, right H. Okay, then once you know that one, see, you know this angle. How much? See there, 65 degrees, 65 degrees. Or you can do one thing. See, no, that way only. 65 plus 65, or I do one thing, separate calculation I will make here. See, 1 minute now, first I will continue. Here, minus PGE into H. Into H. Right here. Make a note here. H is the perpendicular from F to line of action of GE. See, perpendicular from F to line of action of GE, right here. Then minus PGE into H, then see, minus 20 into how much? This is 5 meter, 5 by 2. And then plus 16 into, oh, that height required. So do some calculation, once again do it, get the height, enter 5.3613. So into 5.3613 meter equal to 0. Still you cannot get PE. So therefore, now you require H. To get H, what to do is go for some trigonometric calculation. I do not want to spoil the sketch here. So I do one thing now. These are all not required. I'll show somewhere here. See, I'll show somewhere here that H calculation. But side by side, see, this is your F point. 65 degree it is going here, see, F. This is your G. Then the line of action of force is like this, see. This is line of action of which one? PGE. PGE. Now, from here, you are dropping perpendicular. See, green color. Perpendicular H. For that, see, you know, this is perpendicular. You know what is this height. This height. How much that height? That height is 5.3613 meter. 13 meter. And therefore, if you write here, see, we require this angle is known angle. Why? 65 degree, 65 degree, total 130 degrees. Total 130, so this will become 50 degrees. No one should ask me, sir, how you got 50 degrees? What? You are studying engineering. This triangle, 65 is what? 130, this is 50 degrees. Now, you connect here. See, to get H, you require, what is the point here? This is F. So, to get the value of H, see, if I write sine of what? 50, sine 50 equal to your H divided by this hypotenuse is GF. H divided by GF. So therefore, to get H value, you require GF value. So get the value of GF. See, GF equal to, see, correct, clear. GF equal to, see, light line here. See here. This is how much? 5.3613. This is 2.5. So GF equal to root of, see, this, see here. This is 5.3613. This is 2.5, half the distance, 2.5. So hypotenuse equal to 2.5 square plus 5.3613 square. Get the value of H. Where is H value? 1 minute, don't worry. Solution, easy method is there. Because I told I always go for principles. 2.5 square plus 5.3613 square, correct? Root, answer. 5.9155 meter. 5.9155 meter is what? GF. So once you get GF here, therefore substituting here in this equation, you get the value of H. How much H? H equal to whatever is your GF, 5.9155 into sine 50. That will come 4.5315. It will come 4.5315. 4 point, I forgot it. See, I am so bad in remembering. 4.5315. I am so weak in remembering 53. I never by heart. I don't know what is by hearting first of all. 4.5315 meter. Okay, over. Now do one thing. Come here. H is over. See, we got H equal to how much? H equal to 4.5315. 4.5315 meter. Substituting, we get PGE. Red color. PGE will come. PGE will come. Minus 20 into 2.5 plus 16 into 5.3613. Answer divided by H, 4.5315. Is plus came, minus came. Plus came. 7.896 kilonewton. Minus or plus? Plus. Plus 7.896 kilonewton. Okay. Get the answer. 1 minute now. We'll check the answer. Why? Suppose by chance, see, if a small mistake is there, I don't want to waste here. Usually I don't check that way. It is my own calculation. Yes, see here. 7.896 kilo. Perfectly tallying. Now do one thing. Some will tell, sir, this is complication. So therefore do one thing. You do one thing here. Sigma m about f equal to 0. You write here. These strugglings are not required. You write here. You write this one. This struggling also not required. None of this required. See, this struggling not required. This struggling not required. You write here. All you round off everything and write. All this struggling not required. Instead, you can go for easy method. See here, I told you. Okay, start. See here, easy method. You are taking moment about F. This is inclined force. So what you do is G, go that side. I tell the G value. Hey G, you go that side. Okay. Now, we want to moment of this inclined force about this point. So, along this line, a known point, G is known point. See, this force will be this way and this way if you resolve into components. For that one, you require this angle. See? This angle you require with the horizontal angle required. With the horizontal angle is 65 degrees. See how easy it is now. Now remember, I should not tell this is cos, this is sine. In that case, see how easy it is. Take moment about F. I told this into 0, this into 0, this into 0. Then see PGE into what? Into cos 65 is horizontal component into how much? 5.3613, that is anti-clockwise, so minus. Then again vertical component minus down to see anti-clockwise. PGE into sine of 65 into about this point. See, about this point. Horizontal component into this height, vertical component to this distance is 5/2 into 5/2. Lastly, minus 20 into 5/2 plus 16 into 5.36. That's why I told I will do in front of you equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of PGE. Let me see what value will come now. Let me see. Okay, start. Cos 65 is into 5.3613. Okay, that number is over. Plus sin 65 into 2.5. Together that number, I will take reciprocal into bracket 20 into 5/2 plus 16 into 5.3613, close the bracket, equal to. What is wrong? 29 point something. How it is coming 29 point something? One minute now. Anything forgotten? Minus PG cos 65 into 5.3613 minus PGE sin 65, where is sin 65, into 5/2 minus 20 into 5/2 plus 16 into, I think some calculation mistake, 1 minute, 20 into 5 minus 20 into 2.5 plus 16 into 5.3613, that answer is 515. No, something wrong. Minus 20 is calculator problem. I told my calculator is a problem. 50 plus 16 into 5.3613 is 35 point something. It became plus. If it is plus, other side it will become minus. So that minus will cancel. So that answer I store in memory to avoid confusion. Store A. Okay, stored in memory. Now, cos 65 equal to into 5.3613 equal to plus 2.5 into sin 65. the total number, reciprocal of that number into memory recall is 7.896 kilonewton. Oh, see, what is this? See, I never get panic. Yes. See, or why there? Just now you, by struggling, by perpendicular all, see. Now, if you are doing this way, this is not there. See, you should not mark this H. Don't mark that H. All this cancelled. See, simple. Resolve into component and take moment. So, this I told thousands of times earlier. Okay, over now. Now, closing part of the question, sigma V0, take upward positive. Okay, start. Minus PFD minus PGE into sin 65 and then minus 20 equal to 0. Now you know the value of PGE. Substitute whatever PGE you got, therefore you will get PFD. PFD will come. So whatever PGE you got, that one into sin 65, that is answer 7 point something minus into minus 1, minus 20, this minus goes that side plus, divide by 1, okay, 27.156 kilonewton, minus, no cheating, nothing, minus, right problem, 27.156 kilonewton. Minus value, okay, minus, okay, then, anyway, check the answer here, see, 27.156. This is still not ready. Okay, this I should not write here because this is the last answer. I have not written this one. 1 minute now. Don't see here. You want to force in which one? So other members it is the previous answer. Force us in DF, then FE, and lastly EG. This is the final answer. Leave it now. Now lastly, sigma H equal to 0. Sigma H0, right side positive. See here. Unknown is PFE. Minus PFE, then minus PGE into cos 65, then plus 16 plus 14, plus 16 plus 14 equal to 0. You already know the value of which one? PGE. See, PGE is already known. Therefore, substitute, you get PFE. Camera problem is there? No, no camera problem, I think. Okay. Minus PGE is minus 7.896 into cos 65. Something came plus 16 plus 14 is 26 point. Where is the answer there? 26 point. Which one member? PFE. PFE, I not written an answer. Why I didn't write PFE? I don't know. Why I did not write PFE, I don't know now. I forgot right there. Okay, okay. I'll check once again then. So I forgot write the answer there. Okay, 1 minute. Which one? PFD you want. PFD. Oh, PFD is there. PFE is FD over FE. I forgot write the answer. Okay, okay, no problem. How much PFE? Minus PGE. That is minus 7.896 into cos of 65. That number is over. Then it is minus, no? Yes, minus. Then plus 16 plus 14 is so much. 26 point something plus will become minus. So it will become plus 26.663 kilonewton. 1 minute now. This time I don't want to take chances now. See, I do not want to take chances. Just wait a minute. Just a minute. See, 1 minute. Little earlier, for one force member, 13 kilonewton came. I told it is forgot. See, old result. We forgot to write the answer here. You can see there. Answer is there. I forgot. I wrote everything by mistake. I forgot it. See, This is the. See, this is my earlier class. I opened the YouTube old class. I opened that YouTube. Okay, then. But 13 I did not check because I can make out that, see, if I look here, I can make out that 13 is correct. So I checked it, but actually I have not checked. I got confidence, but this time, because of so many decimals are there, by chance, some small mistake in the calculation here. Some will comment. He told same answer will come, see, different answer came. They should think a little. This much effort I put. Show me one technical mistake from beginning of the subject teach. For that matter, right from the moment I started teaching online, there is so many, see, SFT, BMD, so many classes are uploaded there. This is around 800 classes are there in YouTube now. This systematic course, more than 300. It will come once again. Show me one place where I told, sorry, that is wrong. Sorry word I never use. I tell, oh, sorry, calculation mistake. Human nature. So therefore, I did not want to take a chance. I saw there 26.663. See here. Old class. Can you see? I don't know. 26.663. I'll bring near the camera. See? Near the camera. My old upload class. I don't know whether you can see or not. Or believe me. 26.663. Okay. Perfectly correct. Therefore, answer. Axial force in DF. Where is it? DF here. 27.156 kilonewton. 27 point is not clear here. 27.1 this 27.156 kilonewton. Nature. Negative came. Compression. See it is here. See DF. Compression. Axial force in FE. This is the one I forgot to enter. 26.663 kilonewton. Positive came tension. Just now I checked the YouTube and EG 7.896. 896 kilonewton. See. Plus came, therefore tension. See here 7.896. 27.156. One more answer. I did not write here, forgot it. So I checked the YouTube perfectly. So right here, perfectly correct. Not a single mistake for this question. Remember, this question will give you a lot of concept. This is how you get the grip. In spite of telling all these things, I don't know how many people got intention of studying thoroughly and understanding. But whatever you do, any day now, not now, any day later, if someone will open my YouTube classes, they should tell, this is the perfect systematic course with everything covered. I want that one. I know slowly, day by day, people will recognize, they will know the value of the class. Suddenly not possible. And one more thing, I don't for gimmicks all. See, I never asked you so far, you do subscribe, please share, please like. I never told. If you feel my class is useful, share. If you want to get all notifications from me and to support me, subscribe. And if you like the video, class, if you like it, press like. Or, if possible, put some comment. Whatever comes to your mind. I won't ask you, praise me and comment. What comes to your mind, comment. So that so many people, they read comments and see the class. So at least let them see. Those who are watching or going through my classes, what they are learning, you should tell in the comment section. Suppose somebody puts a useless person, no use. Okay, no problem. No problem. See, in my local language, Kannada, there is a phrase, Loko Bhinnaruchi. That means this world, different people has got different taste. You cannot satisfy each and every person. But I am sure I will satisfy Maximum people, I got the confidence. That I know. There will be very, very little, few people who will tell this person does not know how to teach, he don't know any subject like that. That will be, but majority, in front of me in the online class hall, nobody will tell that way. Okay, now sufficient, perfect, Annie. Next class, remember, question 48, I am going for another master question for same method of section. Very, very important, where some problems are there. Again, I will do one thing. I will select a question earlier, solved by method of joints. Same way, I will list the answer here. Then I will solve here. Okay, then I will do one thing. I will stop method of sections. Then I will go for some other types. Okay. Go through everything, understand and learn. Thank you. Next class we will meet.